Welcome back, cruisers. Thank you for joining us today as we have more news coming your way and would like to proceed with 4 news stories for our Cruise Hive news updates. We take a look at Norwegian Cruise Line adds a new homeport in the US. We also look at Carnival is not going to stop Pier runner reaction, as well as new Disney cruise ship update and cruise line boycott. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. On July the 16th, Disney Cruise Line announced the completion of all 1,246 cabins for the Disney Treasure at the Hive shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. Each cabin was prefabricated off-site before being installed on the ship. The 144,000 gross ton vessel, set to enter service on December 21st, can accommodate up to 4,000 guests per sailing. Staterooms feature artwork inspired by Disney classics like Aladdin. This milestone marks significant progress as the Disney Treasure prepares to welcome its first guests. Norwegian Cruise Line has announced the Port of Philadelphia as a new home port for Norwegian Jewel starting April the 16th, 2026. From April through to October, Norwegian Jewel will offer 7 to 9 night Bermuda itineraries with overnight stays at the Royal Naval Dockyard and stops in Charleston, South Carolina. Additionally, 2 fall foliage cruises to Canada and New England will depart on September 5th and September 26, 2026. This marks a significant return for cruising to Philadelphia, complemented by a new cruise terminal at the Southport Marine Terminal Complex, enhancing travel options for the Mid-Atlantic region. A time to keep on running, as Carnival Cruise Line has announced it will not prevent onboard passengers from cheering or jeering at late arriving pier runners rushing back to the ship. While some travellers find this amusing, others view it as unkind. Despite feedback, Carnival will not stop this behaviour. Pier runners, often first-time cruisers, hurry back just as the ship is about to leave, sometimes being left behind. To avoid being a pier runner, guests should track time carefully, set alarms, and book shore excursions through the cruise line. This phenomenon, especially at party ports like Cozumel and Nassau, is not officially endorsed by Carnival, but remains popular entertainment for seasoned cruisers. The Cruise Lines International Association has warned of a potential boycott of Spanish ports, including Barcelona and Mallorca, due to escalating anti-tourism protests. Demonstrations have seen tourists targeted with water and debris, and beaches blockaded. Locals argue that tourism drives up housing costs and strains infrastructure. Despite this, CLIA anticipates a 10% increase in cruise capacity over the next 5 years. Meanwhile, other regions like the Middle East and Asia are increasing their cruise offerings, with Saudi Arabia launching its first cruise line in December 2024. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.